Okay, guys. Again, today is Wednesday around 12:50 p.m. And that's a good one. And today's Wednesday, another week with no stress. The dollar, it's a sell. It's not a buy. Dollar is a sell until it says otherwise. So you guys know already this chart. This chart is the US dollar in the 4 hour, which sooner or later is going to enter into an aging area. Why? Because no matter if it goes this way or this way, it's gonna recover, right? So with that in mind, we gotta keep selling until the dollar say that the cycle from this area, which is the 16th of November, ended. Until then, like we always do, guys, we keep riding the trend until the trend take it us. If the trend is going to take us to the promised land, which is 74, we're going to go there with that. We are no pickers. We don't pick against the trend. We don't trade against the trend. Consequently, you know what? Very simple. Keep selling the dollar until the dollar say otherwise. Remember, in our system of trading, most of the times you're going to get it wrong only one time. Is when the trend change. Other than that, you were never going to get it wrong. Because we don't care. We go with the trend. So the dollar, there is no change. If you guys look, this is the EBEX, same scenario. So to put it simple for you guys, very simple. As far as the lows and the highs or November 8, November 26, 25, they are in place in risk. Absolutely, with no reason, risk is a buy. After, yes, after we're going to see a huge move in favor of the risk of trade. Either in this magnitude or in this one. After the swing here, the DAX, the EBEX is nothing more than a sell, either in this way or a biggest move in this way before going higher. There is no other way to explain it. And what you guys see in there for the dollar is the same from everything, from the dollar to the euro to the S&P to everything, indices to everything. Everybody understand that? Everybody understand that? Right? So that's very simple. Yesterday, in the 1 hour of the dollar, we say that we're going to see a pullback. All right? And that's what we're taking place now. Now, the dollar should go to around 80.08, which is 130 on the euro. That's in the idea war. That's in the idea war. And then from there, the last leg lower should take place to 79.14. I mean, that's very simple, guys. That's simple ABC and trading. Forget about what everyone else is saying. As far as this high is in place, there is no reason to buy the dollar. All right? That's very, very simple. That's very clear. And I hope you guys learn how to trade with the technique that we use. All right. Now, what happened is that our system of trading is going to let us know before the market break this one, that before the market break this one, that the cycle ended, and then we're going to let you guys know, and then we're going to let you guys know that the cycle from the 16 ended, and then it's time at that moment to start selling risk. But until that is in place, there is no reason, zero reason to sell risk. Let the others to be the heroes. We are the science. We go ahead of them. All right? Let the other to be the heroes. It's as simple as that. It's as simple as that, guys. Honestly, it's as simple as that. All right? Now, I don't see, honestly, I was telling people on the room today that I don't see other than the bearish count in the dollar due to the fact that I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This can even be a triangle. When you have A, B, C, D, E, and a break, that can be a possibility also there. But I see 5 swings, honestly, guys, more than 7. I see 5 swings, more than 7. 1 second, guys. Okay, 1 second, guys. Somebody's here. So technically, you guys cannot trade against the trend. The trend is in favor of risk, and consequently, that's the trend that you need to ride. Otherwise, you guys are in the right side of the market. All right? Is that clear? Is that clear? It's very clear. I see 5 swing from the highs, and honestly, I don't see a reason to buy the dollar or to sell risk. Now, another one that I want to show you is oil. Right here. Oil, I keep saying the same. I see in oil, I'm sorry, my bad. I see in oil 1, 2, 3. Then I see in oil a connector and another swing. Oil needs another leg higher. Oil needs to get to 92, 91 and change. Until then, again, no reason to be a seller. No reason to be a seller. All right? No reason to be a seller. So oil maybe is going to make another low to make 7 swing from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And I believe that oil from around 87.25 is gonna rally to the upside. All right? I mean, it's gonna ride to the outside. And then there, this high here in oil should be the 7 swing here in the dollar. And from there, of course, the risk of trade is gonna rally and we're gonna be on the right side of the market. Don't you guys see that is a beauty? Don't you guys see that it's all about being smart? It's about being smart, guys. It's not about being pickers, all right? Now, another thing that is supporting our view, look, this is the S&P 500. What did we told you guys yesterday? I said right now, it bounced for the 1400. We told you guys, buy S&P at 1400 with a stop at 1385. Now you guys should put your stop to break even at 13.99, whatever. And that's it. A free trade to the upside, looking higher. Looking for the area. So you see, guys, we are not a genius. We are just person that discovered a long time ago that there is no reason to trade into seaways, and there is no reason at all. There is no reason at all to trade against the trend. Now, also, if we take a look at this chart that I have here, I'm going to show you something. And these are little details, guys. Look, right here you got gold and silver. Why do you guys think that gold and silver, which both ended a cycle from this area, what do you think gold and silver are going to do? They're going to rally. Why? Because they have to do a correction in some degrees to, they're going to do a correction to a move that started here. And that correction here is bullish risk. Probably is going to be a rallying risk for the rest of the week. All right? Now, when that happens, what do you think is going to happen, for example, in the US dollar or Aussie, for example? Aussie most likely is going to get to our target of 106. What's going to happen to the dollar? The dollar most likely is going to get into the 7 swing. And on and on and on. So at the end of the day, it's very simple. Don't fight the trend. The trend is your friend. And you don't fight with your friend. You love them. So the market, in my eyes, honestly, is very clear. It's a bullish 1 hour market. And I don't care what first anybody say. The 1 hour trend is bullish, risk, and there is no reason to sell risk until we let you guys know that the risk trade is a sell. Now, that's all I have to say, guys. This is it's so easy that sometimes it gets boring, to be honest with you guys, because you guys should have a magnet in your head that say for the since around November 20 that we say don't sell risk. You guys should be sleeping and dreaming about it and say, oh, there is Eric Lewis saying don't sell risk. Let everyone play as many analogies. And if I refer to another person, it's because I know thank God, we got a lot of new members every week. And I know that it can sound, for you guys, it can sound, some of you guys can sound like a tiresome that we keep repeating the same. But honestly, guys, honestly, it's just a matter of that we want you guys to make money, and the new guys need to learn how to make money. All right? And in order for you guys to make money, somebody have to tell you guys the right way to do it. Don't you guys agree? Somebody needs to tell you guys the right way to do it. And unfortunate, and I got to keep repeating the same and refer to, because I know many people say, oh, this is going to happen. Don't listen to nobody. This is a bull market in 1 hour and in the daily until the market say otherwise. All right? So that's all I have to say. A review of the two sessions. What I see is that the dollar, it looks like the dollar is in the big way here. And like I say in today, in today live session, the best dollar short is, in my opinion, the dollar sweeps. It's because it looks like some sort of leading the market. And in my opinion, that's the best US dollar short overall. All right. Now I want to ask you, anybody has a question? I mean, we are here to answer. And don't and say, let the market finish the big wave correction, and we go after. After we finish that, the market is gonna it should rally again until the market say otherwise. And because of that, honestly, guys, there is no reason to sell risk. Any question that anybody has? We got 10 minutes for questions. Anybody has a question? Aussie, like I say, and like I say early, I'm gonna try my best to provide you guys, after we do the all day and night with the clear setups that we see in the all day. Aussie, honestly, is the best trade in the market. This is Aussie, like I repeated several times. In my view, Aussie is the most clear trade in the market. Aussie have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Still, there is no confirmation that the cycle that started at 133.90 or 88, better say, is ended already, or that the seaway already started. There is no no data yet that proves that, but you cannot sell it. It's a buy when Aussie should trade to the target that we have, which is right here around the 106.70. It still can go to 103.63. It hasn't confirmed otherwise, to be honest with you guys. So it bounced pretty strong today from the 50% back. For the 50% back, it bounced pretty strong from there. Let's see if we are ready here. It can take any way and path of any combination of 5-3 or 3-7-11, as many swings as they want to the outside. It can take as many swings as it wants, to be honest with you. But it's bullish. And that's honestly all we care. That's honestly all we care, to be honest with you guys. So Aussie in the small time frame, I mean, what I'm saying is that there is no confirmation that this correction ended, and still, look, so you guys understand for once and for all that this is a code, or these machines are programming to work one way. All right? And all right? So, look, a swing, a 50 back right here. Right here, a swing, a 50 back. It's perfect. Now, from here, still, I doubt it because this is not imported. It looks like it's completed. It can do most bullish count. It can do, or even can do. But as far as you know how to get to 4, doesn't matter to you how you get to 4. Don't you guys agree? As far as you know that it's going to take it to 4, you guys should not worry a little bit how you get to 4. That's Aussie. Any other question, guys? Any other question you guys have? That's clear as a water, Catherine. Look, I'm going to tell you this because Catherine is very clever and very smart. And the reason is that maybe because she's been around a long time. Same as me. Look what she wrote right there. I tell you the truth. I'm going to I'm gonna give you this. I'm gonna give you this. You guys are gonna see a lot of person in this world that they call themselves expert in trading. You analyze that guy trading style. If you see any servers or any trader trading against the trend, that's not a professional trader, in my humble opinion. Don't you agree, Catherine? That's not a professional trader. If you see any trader peaking, that's not a professional trader. All right? In my opinion, it is not. Professional trader, you ride the trend and nothing more than the trend. That's it. Any other question, guys? Any other question? It looks like it's very clear. So the conclusion after seeing the European, and which one? I like another swing in the yen pairs also. I like another swing in the yen pair. And the way I am is very simple to know why. Because if I go to here, look, this is the euro yen. The dollar yen, I can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. As far as the dollar yen is below this height, again, no reason to sell, to buy the yen, in my opinion. I don't care how the dance goes or what it's going to do in between. And I don't care if it dance the way, if it goes to samba, rock and roll, cumbia, any type of dance. I don't care which one he's going to make in the middle. All I know is bullish. All I know that the yen is bearish as far as the dollar yen is right here. That's all I know. And that's, until this is in place, everything in between is dance. That's what I think. I like selling the yen still. If you overlay then, if you overlay the yen pairs, look, I can put it all together. Aussie yen. How you gonna Aussie yen? Look, it hasn't done any new high here. It should break higher. Now, that's one. Euro yen. It makes a new high right here. I see 5 swing from the lows, so I'm assuming that either it's a flat in the middle or it's gonna do a double correction to go outside. Euro, pound yen. I mean, I believe also it hasn't made a new high neither. It's bullish. It is a consolidation no matter what it is. But the clearest one of all is the dollar yen. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in black. In here 6 and a 7. I don't know how this is gonna make it. It's gonna make a new high. Okay, guys, so that's our view after seeing the European and the New York market in the half session, or better say the overlap. That's the idea of the forum. And guys, all I'm saying is no reason still to sell risk. All right? Okay, so guys, recording as soon as possible, and I see you guys then later on after the Spanish room. Luis on the room, any question you guys can ask him right there. Okay? Thank you guys to attending. Don't sell risk yet. Thank you guys.